Bend your knees. You want to open this up.
Oh, wow, okay.
That's all I got.
Oh, wow. Here it's very tight.
You just tell me if you feel anything. Nothing?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Any pain?
No. No pain. It felt slightly sensitive when you first kind of went into that area.
That's your kidney. I'm flicking it. Feels fine?
Yeah.
Okay. There's your stomach. I got it. So I get my hand over it. There we go.
Wow.
I know. Creating a little space, okay?
Wow.
Deep breath in. I'll try to get in there if I can without hurting you. No, I know. I'm going to push into it. I'm sorry. There it is. There it goes.
Wow.
Breathe. There we go. Now I got a little bit of space in there. Okay. A little glued. Not too bad. But just a little bit of a, here. You should be able to get your fingers in there.
Yeah.
I wasn't able to. Okay, we're gonna adjust it, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. I'm gonna go on the upper neck, okay?
At MondragonMerch.com, you'll find all the products I've personally created. 100% pure oils, no water, no glycerin, and no fillers. Boosted with blue tansy and arnica, delivers a deep relaxation without a greasy feel, just a clean, fresh scent. In addition, check out my back massage rollers. They are perfect for when you don't have time to get a massage.
Chin back for me. Just there, up their neck. Relax here. That's all it's gonna go. That's all I'm gonna do, okay?
Okay.
I'm just going on the upper region. Chin back. There it is. Okay. Breathe. Whoa, very nice. I can tell you've been adjusted now. It let go right away.
Awesome.
Like, okay, and back off. Back off. Okay. See how you place weight on this foot here?
I do. I place all my weight and I try to stop.
Yeah, I can feel it.
But I almost, if I had one leg, I probably, if this was the only leg I had, I almost feel like I would be fine because
look at that. The ankle don't even move.
Yeah, I stand on it a lot.
I can feel it's okay. This is my job. There it goes. They're not hard to move. It's just I can tell that you put weight on there. Okay, relative to the other side. Okay. Yeah, you've got a curve the whole way down. Look at that. From here all the way to there.
Yeah, it always feels like lately it's been feeling like it will.
And you're not
lock up.
Yeah, it's all locked up. Okay, so take a deep breath in and out. We're gonna bounce. Do that again. And again. Here we go. Okay, breathe. Wow, that is a knot.
It's only been 25 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Look at that. It's just crunchy. I can't even make a dent. Oh well. I cannot get that to move. You're gonna be sore tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Oh, this is uncharted territory here. A lot of, like you said, maybe she's going in your glutes for your low back, or she's working on something else. But this here, look at that. That's why your low back hurts. definitely more so on the right than the left.
It's been pretty bad the past couple
Yeah,
of
of
days.
course.
Right here,
Look at that.
it's been bad.
I believe you. I'm trying to loosen that up. Are you okay?
Yes.
I mean, I'm going hard on it because it's pretty dense. It's not pliable tissue. It's pretty dense. Meaning it has a lot of rigidity in here, okay?
Okay.
And me busting it up is not going to be fun. Right there. Okay. There it goes. Haven't worked too hard today. Finally, a challenge! All right. Here's the compensation to that rib. Right there, though. That's where she's. Look at that. Can you feel it? Feel that, right?
Yes.
Compared to here.
Mm-hmm.
Now, where it starts is here. And if you're projecting, are you singing?
I
You're
don't.
just shouting like,
I'm-
"Hey guys!" like that kind of thing.
Yeah, I project. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to think what we can do. Deep breath in. Oh yeah. Okay. Get in your mid back, okay? And again. Perfect. Great. Okay.
Yeah.
This is called skin pulling.
Okay.
It should feel good on that lower back, okay? Okay, grab. There we go. Okay, I'm just trying to pull them this way. Their joints actually aren't cracking, it's just fascia.
Okay.
The adhesions.
The adhesions. Doing okay?
Yes.
Yeah, it's all swollen down here. Right, swelling here. So come on up. I'm going to have you come up off the table, and you're going to actually come this way towards me. We're going to
Okay.
open up this rib cage. Yep, I know it's awkward. I'm going to really pull this open for you. This is more structural work here, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, hi. Look at that one down there. That's being squashed. That one's been getting crunched.
Girl, crunch them. Like it's fine.
Oh, no, you're crunching them. I'm opening it up, you know? I'm like, whoa, this lower back. Look at all that. Look, come this way, man. Come this way. You see it over here. This is why she's hurting down here. Yeah, interesting. If I hadn't done it, I wouldn't have thought to. Okay, back down again, back down.
Back down here? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever comes to the surface comes to the surface. I know it's a little ticklish on the ribs.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry. Okay. This arm behind your back for me. You'll run down this rib. Get the top part right here.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Hold on. This would be a good case for cupping.
I've never had cupping done, but I've been interested.
Well, cupping is much more mild than this. This is where all the intense work is. You want me to use a little cups on her? Okay, give me one. Dame uno.
Oh,
But it's a much more gentle treatment. It's more in the skin level.
mm-hmm.
Okay. I can leave one there. we'll just leave it there. I gotta move this one. I feel like I'm gonna give you a hickey there. Let's put it on her spine. That's how it feels. Most people, though, just leave it there.
Okay.
I kind of like to drag it like this, but it's just not enough for you. Never enough.
Yeah.
Now see, this feels more pliable. Okay, this I have to be careful on. You know, this is kind of, maybe you've been worked on up here. It's just much more pliable.
Okay.
This is like glued
Like a
to
rock,
your
like a
back.
brick.
Yes, and you know, I can just tell you worked that.
That's what it feels like. But I'm right-handed, so I'm always lifting with this side, even though I try to like even it out.
Do this side. Whatever you do to one side, make sure you do it to the other. You're so fair, so you're so pink.
Yeah.
But the bruising is there.
Yeah, I can never hold a tan. Even if I get a little bit tan, it never it never stays. So I just don't really try anymore.
Yeah, I see the little skin cancer, like where they took something.
Yeah, that was a long time ago, and for some reason it left like the nastiest scar.
Like a little keloid.
Yeah.
Well, it's common because they went that deep.
Mm.
I think pretty much everybody's at keloids like that.
Oh, okay.
It's either that or it gets really thin. And then it's like, ugh, I don't even scrape over that area. Can you imagine how many things I see?
Yeah.
You know, I'm always like, I mean, you do have some nevi back here that I would be like, okay, what about that one? What about that one? But I'm assuming you go to somebody.
A dermatologist?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
I actually just went and had like a full checkup
Okay.
like 3 weeks
They
ago.
just need somebody to keep track of them for you.
Yeah.
That's all you can do.
Yeah.
One of my kiddos has moles, and I'm like, just take pictures of them if they change.
Oh.
To the dermatologist.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It is like Linnea, if you come up here, you can see it. Can you see what she's got? This is all raised on her. It's like your whole back on this side,
Okay.
you know, and that's what's causing it. From my profession, okay, from my point of view, no doubt. Okay, chin to your chest, other way. We're gonna see how you do when we get done with this, okay?
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah, just whatever you feel like needs to be done, like I am game, so
Okay.
that is fine. I have a pretty high pain tolerance. Like I've dealt with level 10 pain for a very long time, and
It's just as the swelling, even though you're all marked up,
mm-hmm.
it's much less swollen now, and I can see that
Okay.
it's right here's the bottom of it, and it goes up, up, up to here.
Okay. Sorry, I like reflex a little.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. And done.
Whoa.
Okay. And that's gonna take a little bit to unglue that. Okay. Hold her down.
Okay.
Yow.
Wow.
Okay. Done. Okay. I know, I told you.
Wow. It looks like I've been attacked.
I know.
Oh,
I
wow.
know. This, look.
Wow. Yeah.
So this light pink is gonna all disappear in a half an hour. It's just the irritation from me trying to get stuff out.
Okay.
What stays is this dark. At 7 days. It'll be
Okay.
all gone.
Okay.
Promise. Okay, your back will look perfectly fine. We always are kind of proud of our Shaw marks. We're always like, yes, such vindication, you know, like that. But yeah, you have, I mean, look, I tried over here, kind of in like patches,
Yeah.
but it's all here where you're saying.
Wow.
Okay, and then here's the bottom little ribs.
So that's just like my like skin and the fascia being glued to.
So when you have stagnation, when it doesn't move, it pools.
Mm.
Kind of cross your arms, and then like let me take you back up here. Does that feel any better?
It feels better. It still just feels tight.
Stuck.
Yeah.
So what you have there, okay, is you're rounded and you're to the side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely.
And so we gotta go that way.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna place my hand right here, okay? And then your head goes back for me. Perfect. I know. Other side. It's out. I can't believe you were just adjusted. I'm like, dang, what's she doing all day? Either that
Dancing.
or your job is just that physical. I got you. I'm gonna position you here. Yep. Hand goes here on the front. Yep. Look back.
Oh yeah, that was great.
Just have to go for that one. On your back. Yep. Like that. Now, this is optional as well. It's the front joint of the pelvis. There's a joint right between your legs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I didn't say this earlier, but I like the psoas muscle gets so tight, and I try to do yoga and stretch it out, but it's never really gone away, and it's like right in here.
Whoa. Okay. Squeeze. More. There it is. That's all I could get.
Yeah, I can
That is
feel it like
stuck.
right in the spot.
It's just I gotta go right here and then push forward.
Okay.
Here, you do it. You push.
Okay.
You push.
Sorry.
There it goes.
Okay.
Okay.
Like-
Bend your knees. Understand?
Okay.
Up into this armpit. Roll down a little bit more. That's like the worst right there. Yeah, you want to open this up.
Oh wow. Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Ew.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, that's more or less what it's not gonna feel better right now, but like, does it feel like maybe a 10% like difference?
Yeah. Yeah, it really does.
You know that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's that upper spot. You're like,
Yeah,
yes.
it, like, moves
Think
around
up,
a little
think
bit.
up there instead of down in here.
Okay.
Because this is just a byproduct of what's going on up here.
Okay.
This is a result of this. We pulled your stomach down. I mean, we did all kinds of stuff with your organs. And
Yeah,
small
that
wonder.
was almost the most surprising thing is feeling that in what you did in the beginning.
I know.
Yeah, because I could actually feel relief when you like pushed it down. And I was like,
Well,
wow.
I mean, I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we'll see which one helps.
Yeah.
You know, I can't. It could be any of them. It could be all of them. Okay, reach behind your head.
Okay.
All right. Breathe in. And out. Oh yeah.
Wow.
That was a lot, actually. In.
Okay.
You ready? Here we
Yes.
go. Second round. That's all I got.
Oh wow.
Too much? Are you okay?
No, that's fine. I was surprised. Wow.
You can do the lower ones. Up to you.
Yeah, it almost felt like it needed to be like a tad bit lower.
Yep. We did up here.
Okay.
So hands behind you. She's telling me how to do my job.
No.
It's okay. That's all it goes, and then there's this one. Good. That's
That's
all of them.
insane that you can even feel
With
like
my
with
butt?
your butt. With your
Yeah.
butt. You're like, it's actually pretty cool.
Well, I mean, it's just like you use all surfaces.
Yeah.
All right. So, Epsom salt bath when you get home. A
Love
lot
it.
of water.
Okay.
Okay.
Epsom salt and lots of water.
That's right.
Okay.